Yes, I want to earn money.
Why do you want to earn money?
I want to earn money because money is very important. I want to earn money for my family. I want to earn money because I have to run my family. At today's time, money is so important for us. If we have to buy anything, we must have money.
Okay, so what do you think that can you earn money?
Yes, I can earn money.
Did you come yesterday?
I did not come yesterday.
Why did you not come yesterday?
I did not come yesterday because it was some problem at my home. That's why.
Okay, so did you call me? Did you inform me?
I did not. I was not able to inform you, sir.
You were not able to inform me. So problem was actually big, and that's why you were not able to inform me. Okay, fine. Was your brother present yesterday in class?
No, sir. My brother did not come.
It means because of you, your brother did not come. Okay, so why did you not inform me? You were not able to. So you tell me, do you have phone?
Yes, I have phone.
So if you have phone, if you have any problem, you can inform me, and you did not inform me. Okay, tell me, how is your class today?
It was very fantastic.
How is your class today? I'm not asking how was the class. I'm asking how is your class today?
It is very fantastic.
It is very fantastic. Do you like this class? When I come, I shoot video, I ask you, I put up question, and you all reply. Do you like such video, such class?
Yes, I like such class.
Okay. Who is he?
He is ours.
Hi Tanu.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am very good. You tell me that. Did you come yesterday?
Yes, I came yesterday.
Okay. Who taught you? Did I teach you something or not? Did I teach you something yesterday?
Sir, yesterday you took test.
I took test. I did not teach. Okay. Do you like test class?
Yes, I like test class.
Okay. Do you like reading class?
Yes, I like reading class.
Why do you like reading class?
I like reading class because reading is my hobby.
Reading is your hobby. Okay. Do you like any other task? Like, do you like dancing and singing? Do you like painting? Any other hobby do you have?
Yes, sir. I like singing and I like drawing.
You like singing? Can you sing song here in this class?
Yes, sir. I can sing.
You can sing song. Okay. Where is your sister?
My sister is there.
Okay. What's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Rimjim.
Does she also like singing?
No, sir. She does not like
She
singing.
does not like. What's your name?
My name is Shruti Yadav.
Where are you from?
I come from Amnawe, Azamgarh.
What do you like? Do you like singing, dancing? What do you like?
I like reading.
You like reading. Okay. Do you like reading English?
Yes, I like reading.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher Mukesh sir.
Where is Mukesh sir?
Mukesh sir is very nice.
Where is Mukesh sir? Mukesh sir is nice, but where is Mukesh sir? Who is Mukesh sir?
He is Mukesh.
He is Mukesh sir or you are Mukesh sir?
Mukesh sir.
All right. Are you a teacher?
No sir, I am not teacher.
Okay. Is he your teacher?
No, he is not my teacher.
Who is he?
He is Raunak.
Okay. Raunak was saying that money is very important. So do you also think that money is important?
Yes sir, money is very important.
Money is very important. Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
Do you earn money or your father earns money? Who earns money?
My father earn money.
Okay. Where does your father live?
My father live in Amnawe.
Your father lives in?
Amnawe.
Okay. Is your father shopkeeper or business? What is your father?
My father is shopkeeper.
Your father is a shopkeeper. Okay. Do you respect your father?
Yes sir, I respect my father.
Okay. Do you like your friend?
Yes sir, I like my friend.
How is your class today? I was asking him and he said, yeah, my class is fine. How is your class today?
Sir, class is very nice.
Class is very nice. Okay. Did you come yesterday?
Yes sir, I did come yesterday.
Did you come yesterday?
Yes, I came yesterday.
Yes, I came yesterday. What did you do yesterday in class? What you read? You discussed? What did you do yesterday?
Sir, I discussed yesterday.
You discussed. Okay, where did you discuss? You discussed inside or outside?
Sir, outside.
Outside. Okay. With whom did you discuss? With your friends? With girls or with boys? With whom did you discuss?
With girls.
Do you like discussion class?
Yes sir, I like discussion.
Which is your favorite class? Presentation class, discussion class, debate class, or practice session? Which is your favorite class?
Sir, presentation class.
Practice presentation.
Yes sir.
Okay. Tomorrow Abdullah sir is coming, right? So from Monday I will start your presentation. Will you attend your class?
Yes sir.
Do you like summer season?
Yes, sir. I like summer season.
Why do you like summer season?
I like summer season because there are many holiday in summer season. In summer season, I free and you can learn any course in summer season. For example, English English spoken
Yes.
computer course. It is.
So you like summer season because in summer season you have free time and you get holidays, so you can learn many more things like English speaking, computer, and you can join. Okay. So do you not like winter season?
I don't like winter season.
You don't like winter season. Okay. Which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Mango. So do you have mango trees?
Yes, sir. I have. There are many mango trees. I have.
How do you discuss here? Do you discuss here alone or do you discuss with your friend?
I discuss with my friend.